Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 11. Its title is The Kind Fisherman. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn express joy while playing. What does it mean? When you are playing and you are happy, how to express that happiness, how to express that joy. This is what we are going to learn today. So before this, in your page number 58, I have taught you how to express your likes and dislikes. So the way we express our likes and dislikes, likewise we can express our joy. So I hope you remember this lecture. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to demonstrate use of common conventions and dynamics of group oral interactions to express joy while playing. This is our today's SNO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Al-Mujadila verse 7, there is in no private conversation three, but that he is the fourth of them. Nor are there five, but that he is the sixth of them. And no less than that, and no more, except that he is with them in knowledge wherever they are. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us, wherever you are, whatever you are talking, Allah is with you and Allah is listening, right? Even like we are going to talk about conversation in group. So if there are group of three, who is fourth with them? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If there is group of five, who is sixth with them? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So how can we speak bad things? No, we cannot, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is with us and Allah is listening all the time. So beta, even we are happy or we are sad, we should fear Allah. Whatever we say, it should be proper and appropriate. So when we are playing, how to speak properly, this is what we are going to learn today, all right? So first you tell me, what are basic social courtesies? And what do you know about expressing joy? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, have you answered these questions? It means you know what are basic social courtesies. And what they are, I have taught you. These are basic social courtesies. What they are: may I, please. And when someone says thank you, you are supposed to say you are welcome. If someone say I'm sorry, you should say it's okay, excuse me, excused. So beta, these are the manners. We watch these manners when we are sitting very nicely. But when we are playing, when we are in a playground, we forget our manners. That's bad. We should show good manners all the time wherever we are. Like if you are playing and you want to take your turn, you say, it's my turn, give me bat, I want to, it's my turn, it's my batting. No, please give me bat, it's my batting time. Okay, so this is how the manners we learn. We should practice it all the time. All right. Okay, so how do we express our joy while playing? By words and by our body language. Sometimes we don't say anything, but we are jumping, we are chatting. This tells us we are happy. So whatever we are playing, we show this joy by our body language. It means to express our joy while playing, we should use proper words and proper body language. Like you are playing, you are doing something which you like, and you should show it, but without hurting anyone. Okay, we should not be hurting others. Okay, you can show your joy anyways, but be careful, don't hurt yourself and don't hurt others. How do we express our joy? Through our words. This is a dialogue given in your book. So let's find out how are they experiencing it. One boy is saying, now he is holding a ball, and what he's saying, I want to take this wicket. Okay, fine, you are bowling, it's your right, you can see it. And what the batsman is saying, I'm going to hit a sixer. Yes, this is how. But you should not say anything bad to that person. Or, you cannot out me. How dare you? No. While playing, yes, okay, fine. I'm going to hit a sixer. What happened next? He said, hurrah. Why? Because he was that boy. It's okay, no problem. It's a game. One is happy, other is sad. It's okay. So when you are happy, better be careful. You can say, yes, I did it. But you cannot hurt other person by saying, oh, you are, I was about to say a bad word. We cannot say loser to anyone or any bad thing. It's bad. Okay, so while playing, how to express joy? By using good words, by showing your joy. Okay, without hurting others, without hurting others' feelings and emotions. Okay, so be careful. I know while playing, children become very excited, but we should not forget our manners. Okay, so hurrah. And why he's saying what he's saying, the other, his friend is saying, yeah, you are a good bowler. Hurrah, we have won the match. Yes, you can say it because you won the match. You can show your joy. Wow, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling very good. I bowled very well. Yes, you can show it. You can say it. Do you understand? So this is how while playing, we can express our joy in a positive and a very nice manner. Okay, you learned it. All right, so it's our activity time. What we are going to do, your teacher will divide class in groups and students will express joy while playing following the model given in your book. Okay, a model is given in your book. So in such a situation, how will you express your joy? You have to show it through a dialogue. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, have you done it? Good job. I hope all of you expressed in a very nice way. Mashallah. All right, so it's time for your homework. Play a game with your sibling or your friend or your cousin and practice to express joy while playing. You see, I'm giving you homework to play. All right, and be watchful about your manners. So here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what we have learned today, we learned to express joy while playing, and we achieved our SLO to demonstrate use of common conventions and dynamics of group oral interactions to express joy while playing. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.